The next tutorial is about setting up the service strategy and service program for a particular market. So we go again to market strategy, go into our dashboard. Gripper Market US, is the wave which we actually are doing. And you see on this line the name services. So at services, you will find all the functionalities doing this service strategy program. So we click on services, and what we have defined as default are supply chain services. So it is to section delivery time, how fast the customer expect your product or what is the service degree that the customer expects, like fast, overnight, next day, or on time, and value added kind of services, sub-assembly, high flexibility, joint managed inventory, parts exchange, safety stock, special packaging, time delivery window, track and trace, customer handling, paperless ordering, all the things. So this is what has been filled out now for this kind of program, and to edit it or to put in new kind of insights in a collective way, you can use this kind of template, which gives you all the possibility like delivery time, windows, fast, overnight, next day, following days, on time. You can say the amount of sales of in this market, how it's affected. For instance, 10% of the sales must be very fast. And the question is, what is the fee? Because services very often is a highly interesting, high margin possibility to add your revenue. And here you have the possibility to say 2% of the sales, it can be charged as a fee if you do fast services. So on time, you have 30%. So this is what the more or less the customer expects. So you can't charge anything. And here you have the share of sub-assembly. This is the fee you can charge. Kanban, parts exchange, returns, track and trace, kits, goods consolidation, customs handling, paperless ordering. If you're done with this kind of program of delivery time and value add, in terms of what is the total amount of sales, which are candidate for value add, and what is the breakup, of this 100% of your sales, and what are the requirements, and what are the service fees. Then you make save, and you have actually, I think, designed the share, the value. So what does it mean in terms of sales in euro or dollars? Here you have the fee. This is actually the extra, if you want, revenue addition you can expect with the services from this market. And if you have to define extra kind of actions, then actually I think go back to the strategy button, where you will find the SWOT initiatives, select one strategic theme for the services, and also define, as we showed before, the service initiative into this one. So in the end, you have initiatives which came out of the SWOT. You have initiative which reflects the restructuring roadmap, and also you have the whole service program put into one strategic initiative program, which can be managed, measured, monitored, in later stages. This is, I think, the big advantage of this tool, that you can manage, all the diversity of strategic initiative and task into one platform.